did a little bit of driving and now I'm all packed and ready to go. I am moving for a week, kind of. I'm staying in Ljubljana with my sister and her boyfriend because I have a few things going on that I need to be in Ljubljana for. Tomorrow I'm going to Italy with my friend and we're leaving from Ljubljana. Then on Tuesday I'm leaving from Ljubljana to go to a concert in Vienna, and on Wednesday I have a conference in Ljubljana. I'm gonna change now and then we're leaving. Our dad is taking us so that we don't have to carry everything on the train, which is great. Here's my second room with an old school cushion cover. I'm gonna change into my PJs now and chill on the sofa all night long, which I haven't done in quite a while because I always do something. Good morning! Look who I'm here with, Tasha. She just picked me up in Ljubljana and we're on our way now to Italy to go to Ikea first. I'm gonna keep you in the loop and I don't know, try to vlog as much as possible, basically. So we just stopped somewhere. We had to go off the highway because the exit that we were supposed to take was closed. So now we have no idea what's the best way to go to our destination. I'm gonna call my dad to help us out because he knows all the roads in Slovenia, but he's busy right now, so oh, he's calling me back. I think we figured out the way to get there. We're not quite sure, but we're gonna give it a go. At least the view is nice, way nicer than the highway. We made it onto the highway and you should have heard the screams. We were like, ah! Ridiculous. But yeah, we made it. We're on the highway now, and now hopefully everything will go well. We have arrived. The excitement of being in Ikea. We have to return something first that Tasha bought the other day, and then we're gonna have a look. Apparently they have Christmas stuff already, which I'm really excited about. It's Christmas time! I'm obsessed with all the Christmas stuff. I really like this place. I would totally buy one if they have it in like a smaller size. I like the color. It looks much brighter on camera, but it's like a really nice burgundy. And these spoons, gold. There's one chair left that Tasha wants, and it's over there. My solution was call a guy who works there and he'll get it for you. Tasha's solution is oh my god. Amazing. Spider-Man. We're all packed now. Now it's time for lunch. My favorite Swedish meatballs. You haven't been to Ikea if you haven't had meatballs, is my rule. We had our lunch, finished with Ikea. We went there again because we forgot to buy something. Now I'm searching for Sephora. I found it. Just came back to the flat. I'm already running super late, so I just chucked everything on a bed and I'm gonna show you what I got when I come back, because now I have to run to meet up with Sophia real quick because I'm giving her my old camera. Well, she's buying it off of me. So yeah, my baby is getting adopted today, so I need to run. I am back in the flat now again. I didn't have time to vlog when I was with Sophia because I was like all over the place. Just gave her the camera, we had a bit of a chat, then I went to the store with my sister and her boyfriend. We got stuff for dinner today, and my sister and I also got stuff for tomorrow. Now my sister is making dinner. So exciting! For the first time in my life, probably. Okay. When did you make me dinner before?
I don't know.
Yeah, exactly.
When I was younger, when I was your slave.
Excuse me, you never were my slave. You and I both know it was the other way around.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, what are we having, Chef Katya?
It's a surprise. I don't know yet.
I can show you what I bought because I just showed my sister. Although this is a very weird angle and the background. But I bought myself a breakfast tray for breakfast in bed. Actually, I bought it for like taking pictures. I'm not such a basic white girl. But she told me that I'm extra. Thanks. Thanks a lot.
My new lipstick?
That's my lipstick actually. Speaking of it, I went to Sephora. The only thing I managed to buy in those 5 minutes that I had in the store is Ludwig. That's the shade, and it's Kat Von D's Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Haven't tried any yet, but when I asked you guys on Instagram what I should get from Sephora, everyone like pretty much told me to check out Kat Von D. So I got this. This is the shade, and it's exactly what I'm looking for, so hopefully that will work on me. At Ikea I also got this notepad because I just thought it looked cute. Then I bought a succulent because again you can never have too many succulents, and I also bought some plates, this pink one and this gray one. I think they look really cute together and they'll be great for photos. And I also got this towel, which is basically for the bathroom floor, because I only have one. But yeah, I literally had 5 minutes in Sephora because the story was we were running super late, like all day long, because we not missed the exit, but the exit was closed. So we arrived to Ikea an hour and a half later than we were supposed to, and we should be leaving by 3 o'clock to get back because I was meeting Sophia. But yeah, we were done with Ikea at 3:30, so I only had like literally 5 minutes in Sephora, which I was so bummed out about because I wanted to spend there like at least 45 minutes to like check out what they have, watch everything. Like they have Fenty Beauty, Zoeva, Kat Von D. It's not the biggest Sephora, it's like quite tiny, and I would say half of the store has brands that are available in Slovenia as well, but still, they have some stuff. I was disappointed they don't have It Cosmetics though, because I really wanted to stock up on their foundation, and I used their eyebrow pencil, and they have a really good mascara, but they didn't have It Cosmetics. So I'm gonna have to go to London for that. Anyway, I'm gonna have some dinner now when it's ready. We just threw away the chicken because it smelled really funky and we didn't want to risk it, so it's gonna be a vegetarian friendly meal tonight. Here's a finished result, and I already tried it. It tastes really good. Thank you. Also, I have to tell you, we have vegan cooking cream, I guess, inside, and I couldn't tell a difference, so go for it. Basically, I'm definitely gonna buy some because it's literally the same. Good morning! Today is an exciting day. We're off to Vienna with my little sis.
I'm taller than you.
I know. You don't need to remind me. We're off to Vienna to see Georgie. Excited? Excited? Yeah! Excited. Right, I am back in Slovenia and I'm an utter mess. I'm currently functioning on an hour of sleep. I came home at 4:30 a.m. So haven't had sleep in like 24 hours at that point. Then took my makeup off, had a shower, because I'm one of those people who physically can't fall asleep if they feel like dirty or whatever. So did that, went to bed, couldn't fall asleep because I was like full of adrenaline and worries because I have so much stuff on my plate today. I obviously couldn't do anything yesterday because I was on the road all day / at a concert and blah blah blah. And today I'm gone all afternoon and evening as well because I'm going to some sort of like a blogger conference. I wasn't actually planning on going to this one, but my friend Yasha was kind of interested, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna pop along and see what it's all about. To be honest, I kind of wish I could cancel it at this point because I'm not sure how the hell I'm gonna do all the work that I have to do on time. I'm gonna pull another all-nighter tonight, which I don't normally mind because I actually prefer working at night. I often do it, but today is like one of those days when I really need sleep. I really hope I look semi-presentable for the conference. You don't even want to know how much dry shampoo I have in my hair right now. It's really embarrassing, but I didn't have time to wash my hair like I planned on. Just came home. Wait, where's the remote? I need to put the TV on silent. Thoughts on the conference. The first half was like really boring and really basic. I'm just gonna say it. Maybe it's alright for like people who are just starting their blogs and their YouTube channels and have zero clue about it. But for those of us who are already doing something, yeah, it was just a bit boring and more about like personal stories rather than tips, which is what you go for when you go to a conference. So yeah, I didn't like the first half at all. The second half was a bit better. There were panels and there were a lot of people who work in the industry, not just like bloggers and influencers, but more like people who represent brands. They made a lot of good points, which I agreed with. The only thing is that it's really funny how everyone says like, yeah, the most important thing is to like stay true to yourself and your brand, like your values, and make great content. Like that's the most important, not just like the number of followers, which in theory sounds amazing and I wish that was true, but to be quite frank, it is not. I have a lot of experience in the industry. I've worked for an influencer with 500,000 subscribers. I've worked in PR. I have my own YouTube channel and blog, and numbers are everything. So that to me was a little bit funny to hear because, you know, it's like one of those things that like everyone wants it maybe to be, like the smaller creators, but we all know it's not how things actually go when it comes to business. So yeah, that's my take on the conference that I went to. I don't want to like criticize it because it was like very well organized, but maybe just not for me. The first part, like I said, was very basic, so more for beginners. And then the second part was interesting, but I wish I heard more concrete examples. We also got a goodie bag. We actually got 2 goodie bags, but we had several breaks in between, and I was leaving my bags at my chair, and one of the bags walked away, aka someone took it. So I am only left with 1 bag. In the other, there was actually a pumpkin in there. I don't have my pumpkin now. It was actually really cute, really small, but I have a huge one back home that I need to carve. So anyway, let's see what's in this bag. First, we have a Trend It Up Double Volume and Shine nail polish. I actually am wearing the Trend It Up nail polish right now. Not sure if you can see. It's a nude one, and with their polishes, I find that they're very hit and miss. Some are good and some are really bad. Like this one that I'm wearing needed 4 coats, which is really bad, but hope this one will be better. The shade looks really lovely, actually. We have, oh, plasters. Then we have some tampons. Do you need any tampons, Katya?
No.
Nope. I guess we won't be needing these then. We got like a little keychain. This is cute. And then, I'm not sure what's in here, but I think it's a print because my friend got a print in it. She already opened her package while we were there. I always wait until I get home. I don't know why. It looks super cute when you smile. Oh, this is actually so adorable. I love it. I think there's something else inside. Oh, cute. A bracelet. This is very like me, like, because I like dainty pieces. Very nice. I really like this too. I'm gonna go have some lunch now. Dinner. You see, my brain's like dead today. I'm so tired. But here's what my sister made for me. Thank you again. I feel like she's my mom this week. So I'm gonna have my dinner now, and then I have about 8 hours of work left to do. So fun times. No sleep today. Sorry for like complaining so much in this section of the vlog. I'm in a really bad mood today. It is Saturday night. I'm back home now. I finally managed to wash my hair. Can I please get a round of applause? This dry shampoo streak has been going on for way too long. But yeah, I just want to say goodbye because I need to get this vlog up for tomorrow. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Like, subscribe below, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.